3 to 1 play.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah dosto. So today we are here in Oman and we are talking about like women empowerment, how empowered women of Oman are, Sultanate of Oman are. So I am glad to represent Miss Hoor Al-Sajjali. Ma'am, thank you so much for joining us. And my audience are mainly, you know, from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Oman, as well as all over the world like UK, US, and everybody is watching you. So I tell many things about Oman. I am living in this country last 15 years. And I'm telling people about Oman, Oman business, Oman culture, the liberty which Oman gives to their expats, to their women. So what you do and about Oman, what you can tell people about?
Actually, I'm an airline pilot of Airbus 320, and Oman is like, it's like a very big country and support women. It supports women everywhere. Whatever you want to be, it can help you. And I'm really proud to be an Omani. Okay.
So, which are your routes mainly?
Usually we go to Bangkok, Kuala Lumpur, we go to Doha, we go to many destinations.
So how many years you been in this post?
I've been like 1 year almost.
1 year almost. What is your experience like? You are, you know, controlling a big number of peoples. So how do you feel that time once you are at the sky like 50, 20, 30,000 meter above the...
Actually, I started to like to be in the air more than ground. Yeah, because being in the air, it's always been my dream.
Okay.
And I've reached my dream, so that's why it's like...
So did you feel scary?
No.
Sometimes?
No, because if you feel scary, you will never reach anything. You will never be something.
And what you want to tell all those people who say that you cannot give control to the woman? Like if you'll give control to the woman, khalas. Any good message for all, because you are controlling, you know, all.
I'm just saying to a woman, just work hard, because you can be a mother, you can be a pilot as well. At the same time, you can be a CEO, you can be a doctor, whatever you want. Because as a woman, we are multitasking. We can do more than one thing in one time.
So you are really an inspiration for all the women who are watching here, and we are glad to have you in our this vlog, inshallah. And all the women who are watching us, please be, you know, if somebody is oppressing you, don't get that, because we have many examples like Hoor Al-Sajjali who are doing fantastic, more than men's in their particular fields. So you could be one of them. Thank you so much, ma'am. Nice meeting with you. So this is Oman, and this is the things of Oman which I'm telling you guys. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.
Thank you.